How to deactivate Instagram account. Open your Instagram app on your device. After then, tap on your profile icon. Top right corner you find this option, three dot line. Tap on three dot line. After that, you will see and find account center. Tap on this option, account center. See this option, personal details. Tap on. After then, account owner and control. Tap on this and select deactivation. Tap on this option. After then, select your profile Instagram account. After then, select deactivate account or delete account. Select deactivate. When you select deactivate button, you find continue. Tap on continue. After that, enter your Instagram password and deactivate your account.